Welcome to MotorcycleDen. We have like a 330 something mile route planned, I think. And it is just gorgeous out. We're going to be on some beautiful roads today. Route 89, or 89, which is nice. 52. Route 11 in Kentucky. We're going through Nada Tunnel. Route 77. 1274. I'll see some beautiful scenery today, guys. Wow, this is gorgeous through here. With being in motovlogging, and you constantly meet different people, online. There's some people that live down around here, and it's like, man, I should have probably got a hold of them, but it's hard to do. I mean, how do you guys feel about it? Because it takes time to stop and meet somebody. I guess if you make a special trip just to meet the person is probably what you need to do. Part of it too is I like long routes. So, if you plan a 200-mile route, you could spend time to meet somebody else, I guess. But I enjoy being out on the bike all day long. And ride 300 to 400 miles is a great way to spend a sunny Saturday, in my opinion.
It's pretty through here.
Oh, this is awesome. Awesome scenery. Felt like some gravel. We have a new camera on the front of my helmet, so we switched to our Hero 5 Session, one facing us.
Oh, my ears just popped.
Oh, really? That always feels good when they do, huh?
A lot better. Amazing how you don't even know you can't hear until they pop.
Right.
Getting in a little bit of the hilly part of Kentucky.
Oh, yes. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, guys, we are heading north on Route 11. And we're 5 miles south of Natural Bridge State Park in Kentucky. Man, this is just beautiful. Falls Resort. Off to the left here, they do rock climbing. I don't know if anybody's doing it now, but there's like a resort.
There's a bunch of cars there.
Usually,
yeah, I see people up there.
So you can see people up on the rocks.
Would you ever want to do that?
I don't really want. I ain't into rock climbing.
No.
I mean, that's a young man's game. I guess if you are in really good shape. But man, I don't know. It seems like it takes too much energy. More than I want to exert. But this is a really cool park, Natural Bridge. I mean, it's been a while since we've actually been to the park itself. But this whole area in Kentucky is awesome, guys. Awesome riding. Beautiful. Just look at this. I mean, look at that up there. It's just gorgeous. Nice sweepers. Nothing's real sharp in this section, but just nice relaxing ride. I mean, after 52, there's a lot of curves in 52. I would imagine heading south on this Route 11 is not that neat, but north is the way to go on Route 11, I think. You get much better views. And we are on Route 77 heading back to Not a tunnel. Oh man, looks like there's a long line of traffic.
Jeez, how long's the line?
I don't know.
A lot of people just came through, so I'm thinking this side's going through now. Yeah, see, they're starting to move.
Guys, this is so beautiful back through here.
On the right, that's where all the rhododendrons are. But they're not bloomed.
Oh yeah, it would have been nice coming earlier in the year, huh? Look at this. You guys coming into this tunnel, you do have to watch because it's one way. Oh look.
Must be getting pictures. Prom. Check them blue shoes out.
Oh. Yeah.
Takes a minute for your eyeballs to adjust.
Yeah, we've been in here before.
That's it? That's what you're gonna do? Last chance.
That's alright.
And you missed it. She got horns on her head.
Look at this scenery, man. This is awesome.
Yeah, look at them. Hey bro, watching that Jeep though. That tunnel's not that tall.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
gonna whap their
Get
head.
hit. That would be bad. We are on Route 77, and we are turning left. But if you go straight, it's some Red River Gorge area. There's a visitor center, and then there's Skybridge Restaurant at the end of that road, which comes down onto Route 15. It's a nice, beautiful road. I think there's an actual sky bridge you can take. It's kind of like Natural Bridge, just a little less popular. But this is beautiful through here on Route 77. I mean, yeah, this is great. Gotta watch this. Sometimes cars are parked on the side of the road. And they like stick out in the road a little bit sometimes. There's got to be a lot of trails right here because people park on that side of the road. But
Oh goodness!
yeah, sorry, I did not see that.
Jeez! Yeah. Like, it sent me, my butt came off the bike.
That was that's startling.
And when I came down, I was like, ugh!
It was shadowed right there, and I didn't see it at all. I didn't realize it dropped down. I knew it was going to go down a little, but I didn't realize it was going to drop off.
I was like, jeez!
I
was looking around, not paying attention.
That was funny. Well, I was looking and it still startled me, so it caught me by surprise for sure. Oh, look at this. 1274, Route 1274 in Kentucky. Oh, this is beautiful. I mean, it's hard to imagine that this is Kentucky, you know? This is part of Cave Run Lake. Beautiful, beautiful area. We are on Route 801 now.
Staring at us.
That is beautiful. Gorgeous. Cave Run Lake. Well, guys, I think we're going to end this video right here. And we thank you for watching. And we will talk to you guys later. See ya.